What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Just want to give you a little bit of an update of what's going on here. We have a little kitchen remodel going on. The kitchen, as you know it, if you've been following along for a while, is changing. So I thought I'd kind of take you around, show you what's going on. It's over here to my right, over here. If I look directly to my right, there's my kitchen. It's under construction. If you've been following along on Facebook, Instagram, then you already know this. I've been sharing some photos, and I basically share some random stuff from time to time on there. So if you're not following on there, I encourage you to do so. Let me take you and show you around. Okay. Right over here. This is the former kitchen. Right here was where the ceramic tile was for one of our most popular videos, How to Clean Grout. That used to be ceramic tile. It's where I filmed the grout video. This is also where I filmed the cast iron steel video, which was our second video on the channel, and just some other stuff. I sat at this table and cleaned a keyboard, and I think the kitchen right there was in the background. But the wall used to be right here. There used to be a wall right here. Fridge here, stove here, couple cabinets. This used to be a wall, and as you can see, and there used to be a wall right here too. So these two walls, 1, 2, have been knocked out, and that is a handy little tool right there. Look at that red thing holding that sheetrock up there. Handy tool, handy tool. So the two walls came down, and right here is going to be an island. This is just going to be a bar area. If you can get a good look at it. Just need to put some countertop on it. And we come over here. Now, right here, this used to be a wall as well. And the front door used to be right here. But we extended it, pushed it out, added 52 square foot here. So we're making, not only are we opening the kitchen up, but we're making it bigger. And this is primarily so we can put a big dining room table right there. My wife really likes to cook. It's one of her hobbies. And she's always been frustrated because she wants to invite her family or invite friends over to eat. And she always felt like the kitchen was too small because everyone likes to gather around the kitchen and talk, and and so she's wanted to have a nice dining room table so she can have people over and cook for them. Here's the other side. So yeah, this is it. The floors that's going to be going on. This right here is laminate. This is a high quality laminate that we put in about 11 years ago when we bought the house. And so we're going to cut that, even it out. All this is going to be laminate flooring, and then the kitchen we're going to put some vinyl plank, some luxury vinyl plank down. So that is what's going on right now. Hopefully this will be done in about a month. Really excited about it because this is going to be a huge area. Over there's the living room. This is going to be a huge area, and I'm hoping to film some good kitchen cleaning videos. I'm hoping to film a lot of good videos out here once it's completed. So excited about what's going on here at the house. Thought I'd share it with you. Over here is just a small little area where just more vinyl, vinyl plank is going to go, but nothing's really changing in here. This is just some extra cabinets. The microwave is there right now. The microwave, that's going to hang above the stove. Garage door. It's the door that goes to the backyard. Come back in here. This is where I film my videos. And that's our temporary kitchen. We're cooking our breakfast right here. This thing right here, handy. $20 at Walmart, little burner. Just flick it on. Got 2 little burners. Got our little toaster oven, toaster, little coffee pot for my wife. She loves coffee. And so this is our temporary kitchen. So that's it. That's what's going on here at the house. We got a kitchen remodel going on. It's not going to prevent me from making videos, though. I can promise you that. Still got my video making space. I made sure that when we tore that place up, that we brought, you know, what we was going to need in here. Made this neat, organized kitchen. And everything else that came out of the cabinets went either in the garage or in the guest bedroom back here in the back. So I made sure I still kept my area clean so I could still write, so I could still produce content for y'all, you know? Don't want to stop doing that. For the record, I am not doing that job. I hired some people. I hired a little construction company to do that. The only thing I did was bust up the tiles. So I went to Home Depot, I bought one of them demolition drills with a chisel attachment, plugged it up, started pulling that trigger, and just wielding that kind of power, busting up that tile is awesome. Some of that tile was hard though. It was so glued to the slab that we literally had to pulverize it to dust. While some of the other tile, I started hitting it and it was just coming up easy, just big old pieces. Just depending on what part of the floor I was working on at the time. So that's what's going on here at the house. Thought I'd share it with you. I do post stuff about this on Facebook or Instagram. And like I said, if you're not following along over there, I encourage you to do so. And until next time, that's it. What else? Anything else I need to say? I already have the next video script written. Coming up here in a couple days, I'm going to be releasing a video. It's going to be part 1 of a new 3-part video series coming out that I think is going to be very informative for you guys. I think y'all are really going to enjoy it and get some value out of it. I'm really looking forward to producing it and getting into it. Hope you guys have a great day. This is Wednesday. On Friday of this week, I'm going to be going and recording some more Clean With Me's. I did that Clean With Me about 4 videos ago or something on the master bathroom. Y'all seem to really like that, and actually had one lady who specifically wanted me to do other parts of the house like the kitchen, bedrooms. So I'm going to be able to film that this Friday because I'm going to be alone in a house, good sized house, all by myself all morning long with a video camera. So I'm going to be able to record some good footage, some good Clean With Me's coming up this Friday. Hopefully I'll be producing that next week as well. So until next time, guys, I will see y'all, yes y'all, I'm from Arkansas, in the next video.